This is a 2003 Elddis Firestorm 524. I'm going to take you for a walk around the caravan and show you how it all works. As you can see on this side of the van, you've got your fridge vents just here. These two vents here. This particular van has got a motor mover on it, which we demonstrate in person on site when you come. Down the side here, we've also got a 3-pin plug, as you can see. So if you want to have some power to your awning, you can do that. Front locker here at the front is a wet locker, so you can put wet boots in there, etc. On this corner here, just on the bottom, you've got one of your wind down legs. There's 4 of them on the van. One this side, one on the opposite side, and 2 at the back. Front locker, you've got your spare wheel. And then in the side here, we've actually got the gas bottle with the gas tap on top. It's actually a reverse thread on here as well, just so you're aware. And then at the top here, you need to make sure the gas bottle is off when you are travelling down the road. Another wind down leg on this side, as you can see. Coming back down the van, you've got your heating and hot water vent and your water pump connection. So that is essentially how it will look when you've got your water pump connected to the side of the van. At the back of the caravan, again, we've got the wind down legs, as you can see. We only put one down for the purpose of handover. And then you've got your grey wastewater pipes coming out the back of the caravan also. We go inside the van now. Oh, toilet system to do first. Toilet system here. Top tank here is for the flush system, so you put 3.5 litres of water in here to give you the flush. And the bottom, the cassette door down there, is where your waste cassette is. Which I'll just quickly open up to show you. Which is where the toilet cassette is. To empty it, you turn this neck 90 degrees. Put it round, for instance, pull the cassette out, and you'll be able to empty the waste through that cassette cap there. Before you use it, you'll need to put 1 litre of water in here and 1 capful, which is this yellow cap here, of blue fluid. As we go inside the van, just ignite everything so you can see everything's working. Sorry if you can't quite see. Let me just let me see like this. So as you can see, that is the hob working as it should be. I'm just going to turn that off so it cools down. The grill, again, let me just ignite that up. The grill is now ignited. Turn that one off. In the bottom here, got your oven. As you can see, that has ignited it as well. So that works the same as your household oven essentially. No difference at all. With the fridge, very simple to use. On this side here, if you're travelling and you want to use the fridge as a cool box, you'll need to turn it on here once you connect it to your car. If you want to run on mains and you've got an electrical hookup on site, you need to have this switch on here. This is your temperature dial for the fridge, so if you have it round on 7, for instance, the beers or the wine will be nice and cold. On this side, you've got your option to run gas. To ignite it on gas, you turn this dial around to the flame symbol, hold the dial in, and hit the igniter. You then control the fridge temperature on the dial just here. To fill the water system, you'll make sure the drain down valve is shut, which will just be down underneath the seat down here, which is the yellow valve that you can see just down there. So to fill the system, that valve will need to be in that position. To drain the water, you actually need to come underneath here, flick the switch up, and that will drain the system. Once you've got water in the system, or when you're trying to fill the water system, you'll need to make sure this light is on, or the pump run light is on on that switch just there, so you'll need to make sure that is turned on so the water actually pumps around the caravan, and you'll need to have all the taps open on the hot side to bleed the water system. Power to your room heater, you'll have this switch on just here, and if you want the electric water heater, you'll put this switch on just here. Obviously I'd only advise you put that on once you've got water in the system. Up on the wall up here, you've got your dial for the heating. So some sites you'll have 500 watts of power available, 1000 watts or 2000 watts depending on what site you're on. To control the temperature of the heater on electric, you have this dial here, and it's a power level setting rather than a temperature setting. If you want to run the water on gas, you turn this dial around to the gas symbol. You'll get a green light up here if it's ignited. If it's failed to ignite, it'll come up with a red light in there instead. Once it's ignited, you can control the water temperature on gas on this dial just here. However, when you are on electric, it is a preset temperature. Down the front, you've got your pull-out bed. Pulls out from underneath here, as you can see. And the cushions around the edge here will make up the bed in the centre. Very much the same with the bed on the side here. The only difference being the fold-out bunk on the side will lift out and over, and then you'll have a board that you'll put up against the wall and onto the two press studs that are up on the wall. Toilet system in the bathroom. Shower works like your household shower, but the toilet, very easy to use. Pump flush up on top here, and underneath you've got a waste trap door essentially that you can open up to allow the waste through into the cassette underneath the caravan. If you have any more questions on how the operation of this caravan is, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.